guess another day, another kit. I'll just show you quickly this one. This one has been around for a little while. This is the P-61B from Great Wall Hobby. It's 48 scale. It's a really, really nice kit. The reason I'm showing you this one today, this is a very limited edition one. It's called Nose Art. So it has 4 choices of markings in it, all nice colour schemes, nice nose art. So if you're looking for something that you want to have do one of those specialist schemes, then this is a very nice kit. The kit itself is very good. It's been around, as I said, for a little while. Comes with the nose. It's also got etched metal in it, so it's got, you can do your engines and cowls, and there's bombs and there's rockets, and as I said, there's 2 choices of markings. So what I'll do is just have a quick look at it and show you some bits and pieces about it. As I said, the kit's been around, well, probably about 4 or 5 years now, and Great Wall Hobby release it occasionally. They did do a special one a while back which had weapons in it. Well, this one comes with the weapons and all the bits and pieces. Clear parts, as usual from them, they're quite good. Nice, and the clarity on them is very, very good. Separate engine cowls so that they don't get knocked about. Lots of sprues with lots of bits. There's gun turrets, there's interior parts. This one does benefit from having some of the cockpit parts really detailed up well. The cockpit canopy does allow you to see quite a bit into the front and the back, so it's worth spending the time. It also gives you a separate nose weight in a separate container. It's lead, so you don't have to worry about weighting the model, because this goes inside the nose cap. Unless you're doing the radar, then you're going to have a problem if you decide you want to open up the radar section, because that won't fit. Tail sections, main body, so you've got all the different pieces there. Tail sections again. The wings, pretty straightforward. It's broken down the way you would normally expect. This is more tail section. Oh, this is the engines, cowls, and things like that. So that looks all pretty. The only thing that I don't like, and Hobby Boss did the same thing, they built the propeller moulded onto the hub. So it's not the way I would do it. It does look all right, but it doesn't have that little bit of finesse and detail that you might want to show. There are companies around that have released separate hubs and props. The main one that comes to mind is Quick Boost. They do a set for it. They're very, very nice. I've got a couple of sets myself. Another set of, this is the second for the other side of the engines. Markings, you've got 2 sets. One with the generic markings, which is all your internal, all your wing walks and everything else, and then this one, which has got the main reason for the kit. You've got Little Audrey, Midnight Madonna. Can't read one of them there, or can't read the second one, but there's 4 choices of markings on there, so if you want to have a little bit of a spectacular scheme, then have a play around with that. What else have we got here? This is for your etch metal. This is the instruction sheet for the etch metal. There's your etch metal. As I said before, very, very nice. It's got screens and seat belts and all sorts of things. Colour guide is just there. So you've got the different placements for all the bits and pieces. So there's a bit of information for you there and there. Instruction book, usual story, done by them. Fairly straightforward. Just follow the steps and away you go. Then all your colour schemes are in the back and shows it from there. So nice kit, always has been. I've built one of them earlier on, the A model. If it's along the same sort of standard, it's a pretty good kit. It fits a little bit iffy in a couple of spots, but just sanding or a little bit of modelling skills required, and you'll sort it out pretty easily. So as I said, if you're looking for another Black Widow with an interesting colour scheme, pick up one of these. They're in stock. So that's it. Have a great day. See you later on, and we'll see what's new in the future. See ya.